Welcome back, nature enthusiast. Immortality has long fascinated humans. Numerous people have searched for the secret of living forever for centuries. However, it appears that we've been surpassed in this endeavor by our animal counterparts, to some extent at least. Today we will explore 10 animals that can continue to exhibit activity after death. Stay tuned for the last creatures, as this creature might just hold the key to immortality. Bees. The diligent architects of intricate hives and essential pollinators exhibit an extraordinary quality that sets them apart even in death, a continued impact on their colony's welfare. While individual bees have finite lifespans, their legacy endures through the transmission of knowledge and roles to their successors. Deceased worker bees can influence the hive's temperature regulation and communication processes, aiding in tasks like foraging and guiding nestmates to food sources. This post-mortem participation showcases the intricate social structure and cooperative nature of bee colonies, where the contributions of each member persist beyond their physical presence. By extending their influence through time and tasks, bees exemplify a profound interconnectedness that underscores the unity and vitality of their complex societies, even after individual bees have departed the realm of the living. Cockroaches, renowned for their resilience, possess an extraordinary ability that seems to defy death itself, a post-mortem existence that can last for hours. Even after their apparent demise, certain physiological functions persist, showcasing their remarkable adaptability. While death triggers a cessation of coordinated movement and responsiveness in most creatures, the hardiness of cockroaches enables them to endure for a time. This unusual trait has fascinated scientists and entomologists for years, sparking inquiries into the underlying mechanisms that allow cockroaches to defy the conventional boundaries of life and death. As researchers delve deeper into this peculiar phenomenon, the insights gained from these unassuming insects could potentially offer new perspectives on the delicate balance between life, survival, and the enigmatic threshold beyond. Octopuses, the enigmatic and remarkably intelligent denizens of the ocean, possess a peculiar attribute that blurs the line between life and death: their astonishing ability to display post-mortem reflexes. Even after an octopus has died, its tentacles can exhibit coordinated movements in response to tactile stimuli. This phenomenon, known as the octopus arm syndrome, has puzzled scientists for decades. It's believed to result from the decentralized nervous system of octopuses, where a significant portion of neural control is located in their tentacles. This remarkable post-mortem display has captured the fascination of researchers, shedding light on the intricate and decentralized nature of octopus physiology. As these captivating creatures continue to reveal the depths of their mysteries, their ability to exhibit signs of life even after death adds to their mystique and cements their status as one of the ocean's most intriguing inhabitants. Chickens, in a sense, can experience a form of post-mortem continuation through the sustenance they provide. When a chicken is raised for its meat, its nutrients and energy are transferred to those who consume it, supporting their growth and well-being. This phenomenon is an indirect way in which the essence of the chicken lives on, as its biological matter is transformed and incorporated into the bodies of other organisms. Additionally, chickens have a cultural and historical longevity that extends beyond their individual lifespans. They have been domesticated for thousands of years, becoming integral to human diets and agricultural practices. This enduring relationship has etched the chicken into human traditions, culinary practices, and even language, allowing their significance to persist even after their physical existence. Frogs, the amphibious inhabitants of diverse ecosystems, exhibit a captivating quality that challenges conventional notions of mortality: the ability of some species to display post-mortem reflexes. Following death, certain frog species can exhibit twitching and muscle contractions in response to external stimuli. This phenomenon arises from the lingering electrical activity in nerve cells and muscles, revealing the intricate interplay between life and death within their physiological systems. While not indicative of continued consciousness, these reflexes intrigue scientists, offering insights into the complex neural and muscular processes that underlie movement. This peculiar post-mortem behavior has spurred inquiries into the evolution of nervous systems and the connections between life-sustaining mechanisms and the inevitable cessation of life. Through this phenomenon, frogs demonstrate their enduring enigma and contribute to our broader understanding of the fascinating intricacies of life's boundaries. Salamanders. The amphibious wonders known for their regenerative prowess exhibit a remarkable quality that blurs the boundaries between life and death, the ability of some species to regenerate lost body parts even after death. While most creatures lose this capability upon death, certain species of salamanders, particularly those in the family Plethodontidae, can continue to regenerate their limbs and other tissues for a limited time post-mortem. This extraordinary phenomenon highlights the intricate molecular and cellular processes underlying regeneration in these animals. The persistence of regenerative potential after death has garnered attention from researchers seeking insights into tissue regeneration, cellular communication, and the mechanisms that govern life and death. Through this fascinating attribute, salamanders contribute to our understanding of the extraordinary adaptations that the natural world has evolved, reaffirming their place as extraordinary creatures that bridge the realms of life and mortality. Turtles. The ancient and steadfast inhabitants of both land and sea exhibit a remarkable phenomenon that challenges conventional definitions of life and death, the ability of some species to display post-mortem movements. After death, certain turtle species can exhibit muscle contractions and reflexes in response to various stimuli, often continuing for hours. This fascinating occurrence arises from the residual neural and muscular activity present in their intricate physiological systems. While not indicative of conscious existence, these post-mortem movements have fascinated researchers, offering insights into the complexities of neural circuitry and muscular coordination. This phenomenon highlights the intricacies of nature's design and the blurred boundaries between life and cessation. Through this captivating attribute, turtles contribute to our understanding of the remarkable adaptations that have allowed them to persist through millions of years, evoking wonder at the mysteries that endure beyond life's conventional limits. Flies. The ubiquitous insects that play essential roles in ecosystems as decomposers and pollinators possess a striking attribute that defies traditional notions of mortality: the continuation of certain behaviors after death. Some fly species, like the common housefly, can exhibit post-mortem reflexes such as leg twitching and wing movement in response to external stimuli. These reflexes result from the residual activity of nerve cells and muscles, highlighting the complexity of their physiological systems. While these actions are not indicative of conscious life, they offer insights into the intricate connections between neural circuits and motor responses. This phenomenon has intrigued scientists and entomologists, offering a unique perspective on the intersection of life and death in the insect world. Through this curious attribute, flies remind us of the captivating mysteries that persist even in the transition from life to the afterlife. Snakes. The slithering and often misunderstood creatures exhibit an intriguing phenomenon that challenges our understanding of life and mortality, the continuation of certain behaviors after death. Following their demise, some snake species can display post-mortem reflexes, such as muscular contractions and writhing movements, triggered by external stimuli. These reflexes are a result of residual neural activity and the intricate interplay of muscles. Although these actions don't signify conscious life, they offer a glimpse into the complexity of neural pathways and muscle coordination. This peculiar attribute has captivated herpetologists and researchers, shedding light on the intricate mechanisms that govern both life and the transition into death. Through this phenomenon, snakes invite us to explore the intricacies of their biology and challenge our perceptions of the boundaries between vitality and the mysteries that persist beyond. Flatworms. The simple yet fascinating organisms known for their regenerative abilities exhibit an extraordinary quality that defies conventional notions of mortality: the ability of certain species to display post-mortem regeneration. After death, Some flatworms can continue regenerating lost body parts for a limited period, showcasing the persistence of their remarkable regenerative mechanisms. This phenomenon stems from the decentralized nature of their nervous systems and the residual activity in their cells. While not indicative of continued life, this post-mortem regenerative potential offers insights into the intricate cellular processes that govern these organisms. This exceptional attribute has intrigued researchers and biologists, providing a unique avenue to study regenerative biology and the fundamental mechanisms underlying life and death. Through this phenomenon, flatworms underscore their position as captivating subjects that blur the boundaries between mortality and renewal.